So what we want to do is go ahead and measure. Our measurement across will be the same as the others that we've cut, and we'll cut that panel to length. And then, because I have the pitch of the roof here, we want to go ahead and measure the short end, and then measure the tall end. And then we can scribe a line with a straight edge and make that angle cut. So I'll go ahead, take these measurements, transfer them outside to the material, we'll get it cut and get this thing wrapped up. All right, there it is, a finished barnwood wall, faux panels by Baron Designs. Super lightweight, very easy to cut, very, very easy to install. This is a one-day DIY project, and as you can see, it looks amazing. So be sure to check out their website at barondesigns.com and get some for your project.